This is a continuation of beginning English. This is lesson 3, but this is lesson 2 in the series. Lesson 2 it will be on continue with the be in the present tense, but now we are going to talk about forming questions. If you look, you see that we have be plus subject plus the question. Here we have a chart which gives us that arrangement in singular and plural form. We have am I. The difference here is that we essentially put the verb before the subject, before the pronoun, in order to make a question. If you remember, when we were making the statement, it was I am. Here we put the am in front of the I, and we have the question, am I? Then whatever that question is will be here. That would be the first person, or you. That would be the second person. And is he, is she, is it. That is the third person, singular. We come over the plural. We have the are in front of we. Remember, we make a statement, we say we are. But when we make a question, we put the verb in front and say, are we? Okay, are you? Are they? Here we have examples of those formed into a question, a sentence, because it has a subject, verb, and an object. And we're saying here, in this, we're saying, am I a teacher? And these are yes-no questions. Okay, they're asking, the answer to these is simply the answer with a yes or a no. And you can see the answer down here is, yes, you are. You see what I mean? Now, you are, as I said, is a statement. It makes a definite statement about something. Yes, you are. Yes, comma, you are. Now, the next one, are you a student? Okay, this is the singular form of you, and you're asking the question, are you a student? And the answer to that is, yes, I am. Or in the this you form, the second person, you are asking the question, are you a student? Then we go down to the third person, like he, and we use is. That's in the statement we say he is, but in the question we say is he. Is he a student? And the answer here is yes, he is. We continue with the third person singular. Is she a student? And the answer is yes, she is. This question is about an object, he, she, and it. Is this a house? Okay, you could say, is it a house? Would be another way of saying that. Here we're using the word, is this a house? Is it a house? And the answer is, yes, it is. Down here we have, are we people? There's just one person there. Okay, there's two persons, I'm sorry. Let me move that up. Are we people? And the answer is yes, you are. Yes, we are. It depends on who is asking the question. Is it? So we have two people here, which makes it a plural we. Are you workers? And as you know, you is, in this case, plural. And the answer is, yes, we are. Or you could ask the question, or we workers, okay? But the question form here is, are you workers? Are they a family? Okay. And the answer is yes, they are. And you see they are a family. We are leaving the verb form, and we are going to nouns and pronouns. And what are nouns and pronouns? They represent people, places, things, activities, emotions, and ideas. And here we have some example. A person. Now here we have an article in front of it, and it's saying a person, meaning it is no particular person. A represents or indicates that this is a non-particular type of thing. In this case, a person. Okay, and this person is an actor. Okay, and number two, a place. A place. Here it indicates Nicaragua, which is a noun. Actor is a noun. Nicaragua is a noun. And a thing. These are a pair of flowers. So the nouns are actor, Nicaragua, and flowers. Here we have an emotion. Love. That's an emotion. An idea. Well, idea is an idea. Okay. So we have an example of a noun as an emotion and as an idea. Here we have the example of nouns. That man is an actor. We'll get more into the use of the word that, but we're putting it into a sentence so that it makes sense. Anyway, that man is an actor. That country is beautiful. I use flowers to fix things. Everyone needs love. Some of these words have not been introduced to you, but they will be explained as we go along in our lessons. But we put the words in order to make a sentence that makes sense. Nouns are also divided into two main groups, what they call count nouns and non-count nouns. Okay? Here we have pronouns. Now, a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. And so we have the pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. So we have the singular pronouns I, you, he, she, it, which we used in our illustrations of the verb, and the plural we, you, they. They are pronouns. You might say, I know Bob. You know, I mean I, a singular person. Okay, we know that. here we have, I am a teacher. Okay, the noun is teacher. The pronoun is I. I, which represents you. I am a teacher. You are a student. Okay, the noun is student. The pronoun is you. He is a guitar player. Okay. The noun is player. The pronoun is he. She is a mother. The noun is mother. The pronoun is she. As I say, it's used in place of, you could say mother, but she is a mother. We're pointing out, making a statement about her, and mother is a noun. It is a radio. The noun is radio. It's an object, as you can see. And the pronoun is it. It refers to the radio. It is used in place of the noun radio. We are people. The noun is people, which is what is an object. It is a group. The pronoun is we. I plus you equals we. Okay. You are students. The noun is students, which is a group of people which we call students. And the pronoun is you. Now, you can be singular or plural, as you know. They are a family. The noun is family. Family represents a group of people and is given the name family. And the pronoun is they. They are wooden chairs. The noun is chairs. The pronoun is they. They is a plural pronoun for the chairs. We have here object pronouns. They meaning they are an object of a verb, like give it to me, or can I give it to you? So those object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. It's like in our first indication, I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it. Okay? And then we have the plural form of the object pronoun, which is us, coming from we, you, it would be you, and them, which would be they. This is quiz level number 2 on pronouns. Now, we have just studied the pronouns, and I'm going to quickly let you see this, and my suggestion is to write down the numbers and then fill in the blanks with the correct answers that they're asking for. This is the second part of the quiz number 2, questions on pronouns, and the same thing applies here. Write down a number, and then what you believe it is in the blank on what it asks you to put there. Now to do that, it's a simple thing is just to stop the video and write down the number and then write down the answer. And when I give you the answer, which is going to be in just a second, then you will be able to compare your answers. Okay, now we have the answers. And here you see, complete the sentence with the correct subject person. Okay. Here is a student. It says a man. Okay. Well, a man is one person, and we have the pronoun he that we use. He is, and is the singular form of that verb. In this one, we have they are students, and they're saying a boy and a girl. And a boy and a girl, two people, are the plural form, and we use the plural verb for this, okay? And we use the plural pronoun, they. Next is, it is a good car. It's a thing. So the pronoun for a thing in the singular form is it. Okay? And we have is it, which is the singular verb with the singular pronoun. The next we have, there, they are at home. There's two people. So we use the plural form of they. That's the pronoun form. And we can see over here the subject pronouns and what they are. And this is what you need to put in there. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay? And this would be the plural form, they. She is from Nicaragua, a woman, so we would use she is the proper pronoun, and is, since it's one woman, we use the verb, singular verb. They are not very good computers. Okay, computers indicates a group of things. In other words, one computer, two computers, three computers. So we use the plural form, they, okay, and the plural verb that goes with that plural form of a group. Here we have I am at work. Well, that's oneself, okay, I, which is just me, say I am at work, and I and am are the verb to use, the pronoun, for me. It is cold today. We're talking about the weather with the is an object, and we use the pronoun it with the singular verb is, since it's one object. Are they a member of the website? Well, it's people. And people is a group of people. We're referring to a plural form, people is a plural form, and we're saying, are they members of the website? We're using the plural form, they. Are they members of the website? Well, okay, we did that. She and I are in the same class. Well, a woman, that's, she is for a woman, and I, that could be for a man or whatever. But since there's two people, it's the plural form, so we use the plural verb there. You know, she and I are in the same class. Now, we just did the subject pronouns, and this is the object pronoun. In other words, that which receives the action, like any object. And they are me, you, him, her, it, in the plural form, us, you, them. So here you have John teaches us English every day. That's you and I, okay? Us is the plural form of I or you, okay? There's some mail for me in the mailbox, it's I, and the object here is I, me. I like you very much, you singular or plural. I like you very much, it can either be one or the other, okay? So I like you very much, which is this form of you, which is the object. He likes her very much, a woman, so her would be the third person here. He likes her. You see the object of his liking, and so he's an object pronoun. They like to eat it with cream cheese. It's a thing, so we give it an it, right? It in the third person. Sue usually puts them in the refrigerator. It's a thing, so she has used here them, which is the plural form of the third person. And please give it to me, and we're saying give it to me, which is the I form. And they want us to work this weekend. It's you and I, and use the plural form of us, you and I. Or here is this I, me, and you and I, us. I want you to do something for me. It's you. I want you to do something for me. Okay? Which is the plural form of the first person, I.